Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.